Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this look using our SHEGLAM, which is a company of Sheen. I have did this look using this palette. This is their new Spring It On collection. They have two eyeshadow palettes released. One is the green, which is called Clover Palette, which contains 9 amazing shades with 5 matte and 4 metallic chrome shades, guys. So I have achieved this look using this. I have used most of the shades in the palette, guys, including the white shimmer and metallic chrome shades, and it is really nice palette, guys. And this shade here, the white one, is my most favorite one, and this is giving a green mermaid finish. You can see the green in my waterline, amazing. And without any ado, let's dive into the tutorial of this look, guys. So here is the look, guys, with which I did on my left eye with the cut crease green and gold and silver, for which I am preparing my eye with the PLU's base, blending the concealer with the sponge, making it clear and clean canvas. Here I'm going to show the palette closer shots, and this is Spring It On Clover palette, guys, as I said in my initial video. And here I can see the 9 amazing shades, in which 5 are matte and 4 are metallic chrome, guys. And the silver is one of my favorites, so let's start this one. Now I'm taking the shade Pinning for You, and I'm just creating the crease of my eye. I just want to give the shape to my eye on the outer corner and the inner corner, and bit elongated, and just taking the pigmentation over the eye with the brush. And next I'm going to blend this with the next shade once I get the proper shape. So now I'm taking the shade called Country Club, for which I'm blending it all over the edges from the inner corner to outer corner as well, guys. You can see it's easy to blend with this eyeshadow with good pigmentation, and here it is nicely blending, guys. We have to make sure the harsh edges has to be clear, and outer corner as well I have blended with this Country Club itself. And now I would be taking the shade Olive Green or Olive Hue in order to blend the outer corner, which is a lighter green in the palette, to give the blended with the green smoky effect. And the same brush I'm blending with the inner corner as well, so don't forget to blend in the inner corner. I'm just removing all the harsh lines which we are able to see over the eye, and with the circular motions and the sweeping motions I'm just clearing off the harsh edges. And next I'm going to the shade called Sunday's Best, which is a light mint green, in order to just give that smoothness to the ends of the eyeshadow, guys, so that we can get the smooth finish, and we can get the all the dark and to lighter shades. And now I would be going with the cut crease. For the cut crease, as you know, I'm using PLU's base and Mitchell PLU's collection, which is called Blank Canvas. I mixed those and I'm just cutting the crease, and I'm blending the outer corner with the Pinning for You, the same darker shade which we used in the outer corner with an angular brush itself, so that to get the smudge effect, not to have the harsh line of the concealer, guys. And next I would be shifting to the shimmers. The first shimmer I'm using is Lime Spirits, which is a nice green shade, guys, one of the favorite for me in this palette. And next I would be going to the gold shade, which is called Gold Standard. Exactly, it is a gold standard, guys. I'm just applying before the green, and I'm just going to blend it. And here unfortunately I haven't recorded the white one which I have done, which is a hint of mint. Before the gold I have applied the hint of mint to get the blending effect. And the last and the edge, we am going to blend it with the green matte finish again. And next I would be applying the mascara. Today I'm applying Benefits, they are Real Magnet mascara, over the eyelashes, and you can see the lashes with mascara effect, guys. So I'm going to finish my face and come back with the under eye. And for the under eye I'm going to take the pack kohl pencil and blending it on smudging it with the other side of the pencil very smoothly, not to give that smoky effect. And next going to the pinning for you the shade which we used earlier and blending the black with the darkest green which is available in the palette for us. And next I would be going to the Country Club and the Olive Hue to blend it out and give the smoky effect. And I'm just connecting my waterline with the outer corner as well, so that in order to get the round circle effect. So I'm using these both the shades and I'm just blending it. And the inner corner, the most favorite part of me in this look, is the hint of mint shade applying over the inner corner. You can see the green shimmery effect, guys. It is just crazy. And this is the final look, and I just want to apply some lashes and let's contacts, and you can see the finished look of this eye, guys, with the lashes. So here is my look with the Hina Hina lashes and the hub contacts. You can see the smoky, and I just paired with the liner. I just want to add some liner as well to give the depth to my eye. And that's how I achieved this look, guys. So hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. To get all the notifications, not to miss any of my tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon down there. And for more information, and if you want to DM and if you want to talk to me, you can text me directly in my Instagram. So this is my Instagram page, and you can find the link in the description box below. And definitely I'm going to reply to each and every DM which I received to me. So you are Pawan signing off for today. Let's catch in the next video with the Bloom palette from SHEGLAM. And so with another different look, guys, I'm so excited to use that palette as well. Be positive, stay safe, love you all, guys.